What's up, guys? How's it going? Today we got here a '06 Mustang GT. Currently doing an On3 turbo kit. This is probably gonna be my first video. I already kind of started doing stuff to it. I should have started before I did it, but I think I'm gonna start making it some clips or some videos about me installing it and some tips and stuff like that, and to help other people out because it's my first time putting this in, obviously, and it's going to be some work and some customization stuff going on, so I'll be able to help a lot of people out too. um let's start off with what I've done so far. So this is the torch red '06 Mustang. I got some deep dish in there, I got cams, I got a tune, I got 410 gears. I have a full exhaust on it, catless, uh disc brakes, some small shit here, fire extinguisher, that's the SCT tuner in there, some gauges, so nothing crazy. 120,000 miles. I shaved the back emblem as well. I have the version 2. These are some eBay cheap ones. They're all right, but I want to change them. This is a custom ducktail. Forgot the dude's at exactly down. I just noticed that scratch right there. I'm gonna put it down in the description if I ever make this into an actual video. I'm on coils as well. What else do I have on this shit? Oh, the headlights too. They're supposed to imitate like the S550 ones. This is a Mishimoto transmission oil cooler. I put it in. It's pretty good. I recommend this because the other one I think goes across the radiator. It's kind of ugly. That's the stock one over there. The stock rated with the fan shroud, thick ass fan shroud. And sorry for the mess. We're kind of redoing the garage right now, so it's kind of hard to do with all this shit in the way. Let's see what we got here. So first things first, when you get this kit, you're gonna need this crossover from the '07. And since I have '06, I was able to get one off eBay, and I had this sandblasted, and it came out really good. And here I had this. Oh shit, I think this is still wet. But I had this tapped and drilled for a thermostat for my water temperature. I have a catch can. I took that line out because it has to wrap it around to this side. I had replaced that coolant heater hose line because I know it's pretty common for these Mustangs to leak from there, and I guess I was having a slow leak and I never noticed it, so I replaced that while I'm at it because I have the intake off. I also took off the charge motion plates, the ones that come with it, and I did a DIY of these. These are the stock ones. All you really got to do is, I can make a separate video too if people want. You drill this right here, and you just put a nail through there and tap out this little pin, and you can take that whole rail out. You have to cover this up with a quick steel, like a putty. I just haven't done it yet. But you patch those up, and then it gets hard enough, and you can sand it and pretty much make them free charge plates. Because I think charge plates are like $400. I'm not even sure, just for the same piece of aluminum. So that's that. I just need to finish that too. That's intake. I have a SR Performance throttle body. Nothing crazy. Stock fuel rails. I might get different fuel rails. I'm not too sure. Reservoir, all that. I did get the 47-pound injectors through On3. Obviously, this is the turbo filter. This is the oil filter relocation kit. This is for the oil feed line for the turbo. I got the E85 fuel pump. I forgot what this was. That might be the... Oh, no, this is the bluff oven there, I think. Yeah, these things are going later, too. I also got in the piping. Just got these big-ass boxes that come in through the mail. So that's the piping for it. That's how it comes in. That's all the piping. I got that that flange. Well, if you do get this kit, make sure you get the matte flange welded on as well. They have really nice welds on there. And I also got these. This is the MAF HPX. Really good one for these boosted cars, or boosted Mustangs, I should say. I want to show you guys that weld. I don't know if I took that thing out already. let me just rip it. I just want to show you guys because it's really clean. So that's that. They did a really good job with these welds, and this is all aluminum. It looks like plastic, but that's aluminum. So I did really good with that. So I would definitely recommend that because it looks pretty good. Oh yeah, I have an AC delete as well. I took the condenser out a long time ago, and so I just decided to take the lines off because it saved me a lot of space. So I took this out right here. I just didn't take this one out yet, but that one's pretty easy. But I took condenser out. I'm probably not gonna take the compressor out because I don't really care. All the other AC lines I took out, they would usually, there's 2 of them that run through here, and now it looks so much more space. And it should be a lot easier to install the turbo, excuse me, and the intercooler and all that, and to get to the piping. The instructions are shit. They give you like 3 pages of pictures, reference pictures, which that's pretty cool, I guess. And then they give you this no picture packet here. If I can open it, just like some tips and stuff, and like some order to do things in a certain order. Yeah, I gotta bring that in. And that's the quick steel I was talking about. This is just from AutoZone. That I gotta fill in those holes with. I just haven't done yet. I should bring that inside, but nothing else really. These links I have to make shorter because in here you have relocation brackets for the sway bar, and they do drop this a little higher up, so I have to shrink them. I just haven't done it yet. I should do that now, but I haven't. I still have my exhaust on. You do have to drop your exhaust because you have to run new piping through the headers in the back. I'm not planning to do a regular exhaust. I'm probably going to do a bumper exit. So I'm going to see how everything lines up, and I'm going to do that after. That might be it for this, at least first video. I'm probably going to make a video about the oil feed line, because that one you do have to drill and tap the oil pan, and I'm a little scared about that one because it's really thin metal, so not sure how that's going to go. But oh, and this steering fluid reservoir, relocation bracket. I got those lines in. I had to figure it out myself because there was no really instruction for that part. But it's honestly kind of common sense. And you know, you take out that big ass loop that they have here, and just do the U right here, not the U, but whatever. I had to zip tie this because it does come pretty close to this belt here. I have to get a new belt because this one does look it's going out, and I might as well replace it because I don't think I've ever changed it. There's those AC lines capped off here too. Honestly, it's not that much rust for I mean, here it's pretty shit, but like right here, like this, like under this car, there's no rust at all, except like maybe some surface, like on some colored pieces, but on the actual frame itself, there's no rust at all. I think this car came from Florida, and I think it was salvaged, but it's honestly a really clean car. All the other shits that, you know, were small, that when I first got the car, I fixed already. But other than that, yeah, I think that's gonna be the first video. I don't really know what else to include, but obviously I'm gonna go more in depth with it and hopefully answer some of you guys' questions and convince you guys to get this kit. Yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video, or if I attach this to another video, I have no idea. See ya.